The Pegasus Match IT process uses a personality test to match the culture of your organization with the Pegasus techs who fit you best. Expert-level technical knowledge can be commoditized, but effective communication and planning are crucial elements of superior IT service. We keep detailed documentation and service history indexed to your organization's staff, devices, and common business operations. Match IT goes a step further by making IT personal. We assign each of our clients a team of 3 technical experts. When necessary, your team of assigned techs is augmented by the rest of our techs, so you have the deep capability of our entire expert staff. Since we implemented Match IT, our client retention rates and employee retention rates have skyrocketed. Contact us today to experience the difference and find out how Pegasus Match IT can elevate the IT experience for your organization.